Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I've got a quick tutorial on how to fix the L series 16 to 35 to USM lens. When it becomes slightly loose from the top section, there is actually a way that you can go in and repair it yourself. When it first happened, I thought this was certainly going to be a repair job that I'd have to take it into Canon to get it fixed. There was no particular reason that it happened. It just seemed to have loosened up over the years. I've had it for about 10 years. And one day when I was using the lens, I just noticed this top section here became rather loose. So in order to fix the problem yourself, you just need to get access to the screw that fixes the top section to the barrel of the lens. And you can do that by getting beneath the focus ring rubber that's on the lens. And in order to do that, you'll need to apply a little bit of pressure and squeeze the rubber to the point that you can actually feel it come loose a little bit. So you squeeze it and you'll see that it's come loose, and then you can gently just pull it back, and then you'll see that you'll get access to underneath the focusing ring, and right there you'll see a screw which you simply need to tighten. Now, in order to tighten the screw, you will need a special watchmaker's screwdriver. If you don't have one handy, you can pick one up online or at your local electronics store. You can get a kit for around $10 to $20. It's not very expensive. But if you do have one handy, you can go ahead and make the adjustment now. The particular fitting that I've used is 0, and it's a very small Phillips head screwdriver, and that is going to do the trick. So you need to pull it out completely, adjust the fitting so that it lines up perfectly, and then you can place the screw back in place and tighten it carefully with the screwdriver. Once you've finished, you can then pull the rubber grip back into place and your lens is good to go. Nice and tight and solid as it was originally, back to new in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful. If you did, hit me up with a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on camera gear, software, and technology reviews. Thanks for watching.